If you're looking for information on the Pixelied Lifetime Deal and Pixelied Review, you've come to unless you're the imposter in a game of Among Us, standing out is a good thing, especially when it comes to images and designs. But if you want graphics that stop the scroll, hiring an expensive designer or suffering through hours of Photoshop tutorials are usually your only options. If only there was a cloud-based design suite packed with AI-powered image generation and editing features to help you showcase your brand. Use this AI-powered design suite to create eye-catching graphics in minutes. Create realistic product mockups in minutes with customizable templates and an intuitive visual editor. Bring your creative ideas to life with features like AI image generation, AI photo editor, background remover, and more. Pixelied is a cloud-based design suite packed with tools like AI image generation and photo editing to help you create graphics in minutes. Bring your creative ideas to life with Pixelied's AI image generator feature, which lets you enter a text prompt and turn it into a graphic. You'll be able to choose from 4 different AI-generated image variations based on your prompt. Plus, you can customize any of your AI-generated images in the editor canvas in just a few clicks. That means you can add text, stock photos, and icons, or even remove the background to create a new design that's all your own. Thanks to the power of AI, you can enhance and perfect images, from improving low-quality photos and sharpening blurry pics to colorizing black and white photos. Edit images with professional filters and effects like sepia, vintage, brightness, blur, and contrast. And because Pixelied is packed with dynamic, user-friendly editing tools, you'll get everything you need to create branded designs for social media, blog posts, and other content. Pixelied also lets you create realistic and professional product mockups with access to over 2,000 editable mockup assets. Browse through customizable mockup templates, including t-shirts, phones, laptops, print, and packaging. Once you've finalized your design, you'll be able to download your high-resolution mockup in multiple file formats to share with your team. And because this tool lets you create personalized products with custom printing, it's super easy to turn those mockups into real products. Best of all, Pixelied's machine learning lets you remove the background from any image with just one click. Once the background is gone, you can tap into your editing toolkit to add new backgrounds, colors, and elements to your image. That means you don't have to worry about endlessly retaking shots to get the right pic. Pixelied lets you make any image pixel perfect. Gone are the days of going down the Pinterest rabbit hole to find inspiration for your graphics. Pixelied helps you bring your creative ideas to life with an easy-to-use design tool that requires no technical wizardry. Upgrade your brand's graphics. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Pixelied today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.